Quick video showing some of the projects I got going on. The bus. I have tranny store part in there and putting together. This is my other helper. This needs to get carburetor work. Possibly switching over to Detroit diesel in it. That, well, it just needs brakes and a little tune-up. See, what else do we got back here? Oh, engine for the race car. My son's car. And in front of me is the sawmill, which I am working on a 318 Detroit Industrial to power it. It will be get mounted on this trailer. This pickup will be getting a rebuilt transmission and a new body, and it is going from 4-speed to automatic. This diesel engine on here is getting made into a wood processor that I can explain later. My diesel warming up. And over here we have the wood pile that needs to go into there, which needs to run through this. And I need to do some work to this also. Nothing major, just change some fluids. This, I set up a conveyor so I can get the wood away from it while I cut it. Other projects over here. Hiding in the backside is 50 Plymouth, which will be getting a, well, we'll go over that way. Chrome Vic front subframe. Or not subframe, but front suspension. And here's the Jeep debacle. Them parts got to go with the other one that I sold. I will be working on this one, which is a long explanation, but it's basically two Jeeps put together and fitted with a small block Chevy, and yeah, hopefully be getting to it this summer and getting it done, but we will see because there's lots of projects. Along with rebuilding my trailer, which is kind of top priority, but I have to get my boom truck up and running. Not the one that I videoed. I got another truck. There's actually going to be my service truck. And it's a L10 Cummins, be pulling injectors on it, checking out, see what happened. This I need just slight modifications and repairs. Moldboard needs to be fixed. Need to run the rack on the engine and set all the valve clearances. And we come back around to my garage, which is on the trailer, which I moved in. Needs to be completed. I will be adding roughly 4 foot to the walls, I believe. Putting down some cement block. This 7.3 IDI is what's going to be going into the red truck. Story on the red truck is, this was my father's last business. He did snow plowing, along with any other things. My dad passed away 4 years ago. Always wanted his pickup fixed up. I bought another body for it. And it's got some other issues. It's going to be a pretty intense project. Uh, that's why we're switching out to tranny and everything. It's had its time. Hope you enjoy. There's more to come. Have a good day.